More issues arising for new Subaru Ascent owners. Continuing issues for new Subaru Ascent owners. On Friday, July 26th, Subaru issued a new recall and a stop sale on Ascent models due to possible issues with the propeller shaft coming disconnected from the vehicle. Recall number WUI94R is the stop sale for the new Ascent models. Subaru predicts that about 166 models have been affected by this recall/stop sale. The issue is that the propeller shaft may come unbolted from the car, pulling from the transmission and causing a bad wreck, and either the prop shaft catapulting the car, potentially, prop shaft flailing under the car, striking the underside of the car. There's multiple things that could arise with this issue. The issue stems from the two bolts that mount the carrier bearing that holds the center of the two-piece prop shaft in place to the frame body of the car. During manufacture of the bearing, Subaru claims that the manufacturer that makes the center carrier bearing for them inadvertently painted the place where the actual bolt head rests on the carrier, which limits the proper torquing of this bolt and can allow it to back out. Subaru will be issuing recall notices to Ascent owners and have already issued the stop sale to the dealerships to hold inventory until the time that the repair is made. Subaru is going to be replacing prop shafts and a new set of fasteners for the prop shaft to correct this issue. Subaru listed a series of part numbers, and amongst those were new bolts, washers, and lock nuts for the center carrier mounting. So hopefully that should eliminate any issues with the prop shaft coming unbolted during regular driving of the vehicle. Subaru advises any Ascent owners that are hearing any kind of vibration or knocking or odd noises from the underside of the car to stop driving the car and have it towed to a Subaru service center, just to be on the safe side in case that carrier bearing has started to come loose on your car. Subaru will be replacing those drive shafts, installing the new hardware kit, and correcting the issue as soon as possible. They're not giving an ETA on the parts arrival yet. Most of these parts seem to be off the shelf for the correction, and Subaru most likely should be able to get your car repaired ASAP. Shouldn't be any formulating of new parts or procedures to correct this issue. The 2019 Ascent models affected, Subaru is saying, had a production range of June 8th, 2019 to June 11th, 2019. Seems to be only about 166 vehicles affected. If you have any concerns, if your Ascent is affected, you can call the Subaru customer service hotline at 1-844-373-6614, and they should be able to tell you if your vehicle is safe to drive or if it is one of the ones affected by giving them your VIN number. So a little bit more of a hiccup for Subaru and more issues for the Ascent owners. At first we had the recalls for the missing welds on the Ascents. Now this new recall for potential failure coming loose of the prop shaft/drive shaft. Hopefully Subaru gets this resolved with no incidences. As far as I know, no incidences with Ascents has been reported yet of crash, etc. Subaru hasn't alluded anywhere in any of the material I found how they discovered this. I don't know if it was a dealer tech or if perhaps an Ascent came in for a noise and they realized the issue, or if it was something they've seen in a few vehicles coming in for service. But either way, Subaru has found the problem and moved swiftly to issue the recall and try to get all these vehicles repaired and safely back on the road with their owners. So hopefully they can get this done very quickly and without much inconvenience to these Subaru Ascent owners. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.